Have you noticed that the days seem to be getting shorter faster as we move towards the fall equinox on September 22nd? I'm Olathe, and I'm going to use this giant sundial here at Science North to explain why. It has to do with the spherical shape of the Earth, I live here, and with the way the sun lights it as it travels through space. Are you ready? The Earth's spin is what gives us day and night. The axis of spin is tilted towards the North Star. So as the Earth orbits around the sun, sometimes it's pointed towards the sun, sometimes it's not pointed towards it or away, and sometimes it's pointed away from the sun. This is a gnomon. It's the part of the sundial that casts a shadow. It's also pointed at the North Star. So you can imagine our planet spinning around a point up there. We're spinning eastward. So as we spin towards the sun, we catch sight of it on the eastern horizon. As we face it fully, it rises up overhead, and as we spin away, it slips out of sight on the western horizon. Since we're near the equinox, we're just about at that point in our orbit around the Earth where our axis of spin isn't tilted towards or away from the sun. So the terminator, or the line between day and night, is aligned with our axis of spin, and we get an equal day and night around the world. The word equinox comes from the Latin equus, meaning equal, and nox, meaning night. In the winter, the Earth is tilted away from the sun. The sun rises later, south of east. It doesn't get as high in the sky, and it sets earlier, south of west. We're just not seeing the sun as much, and the days are shorter. As we come around to summer, and we're facing the sun, or tilted towards the sun, it rises earlier, north of east, gets really high in the sky, and sets later, north of west. So we're seeing the sun a lot more, and the days are longer. As the terminator tilts away from the axis of spin, the rate of change from day to day is less because of the spherical shape of the Earth. Here in the sundial, this big metal arc shows the path of the sun on the equinox. On the winter and summer solstices, when the Earth is tilted away from the sun or towards the sun, the path of the sun in the sky seems to stand still for a few days as it reverses direction. The word solstice comes from the Latin words sol, meaning sun, and sistera, meaning to stand still. After the summer solstice on June 20th, the days started to get shorter by seconds every day. Day by day, those seconds accumulated until here, near the equinox, the days are getting shorter by 3 minutes and 16 seconds every day. Further north, the rate of change is even faster. As we pass the equinox and start heading towards the winter solstice, the rate of change is going to slow down to 0 before it reverses, heading back into the spring equinox. It'll slow down again, the days getting longer, not as quickly, up to the summer solstice, and then the rate of change will pick up again as we go back into the fall equinox. So the days really are getting shorter faster, but don't worry, after September 22nd, that rate of change is going to slow down. Fall is my favorite time of year, maybe because my birthday is in October. I'm really looking forward to my last canoe camping trip of the year. How about you? What are you looking forward to this fall? Let us know in the comments below.